Adrenalyn XL FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 pack opening. This is my last pack for today, so wish me luck. Raul Jimenez for Mexico. We have Haris Seferovic for Switzerland. Miki Yamane for Japan. Ali Kassaif for United Arab Emirates. Nampalys Mendy for Senegal. Then Magician. Mikael Damsgaard for Denmark. Then we have fan favourite Fahad Al Muwallad for Saudi Arabia. Then we have boom, Luka Modric legend. Lovely. That's a good one to finish on. I'm happy with that. There is the code card. If anyone wants it, good luck. And I will see you in the next one.